Hello friends, welcome to Queen Bee Paradise. Today's video is a different kind of video than my usual ones. It's a shopping haul video of a purchase that I recently made. I recently bought few dresses and accessories for me. I thought I'll share with you a glimpse of what I've purchased, how I selected them, and also the price details of the items. I have added few tips here and there in this video which you might find it useful. So please watch the video till the end. Also, if you like these kind of videos, please let me know in the comments so that I can plan to post many such videos in future. Before getting into the video, please subscribe Queen Bee Paradise and hit the bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. I usually purchase most of my ready-made dresses from Max. I just love the quality and the fitting of the dresses that we get in Max. I've never faced any issues like color bleeding and stitches ripping off in Max dresses so far. The first one is this reddish pink color kurti. I just love this pink color because it's not too bright and it's not too subtle as well. There's a golden color embroidery in the front which is making this kurti look very elegant. And this is a 3/4 sleeve kurti. There's a gold color print as a border in the sleeve and at the bottom of the kurti as well. When we purchase dresses from Max, we don't have to worry whether this gold print will go off when washed. I've purchased many such dresses before and it has not gone. In case if you are doubtful, you can just check the inside of the dress. If the print is visible on the other side of the fabric, it's a good print. It won't go when washed. The rate of this kurti is 950 rupees. I felt this kurti will go well with a gold color chudidar pant and gold color dupatta. I already had a gold color synthetic pant with me, so I purchased this gold color dupatta. The cost of this is 399 rupees. I felt it is slightly costly, but the quality and finish was looking very neat and grand, so I purchased it from Max itself. Next one is this pretty looking parrot green color kurti. Very simple and elegant cotton kurti which will be very comfortable as a casual wear. There is an orange color border design in the front as well as in the sleeves. This is also a 3/4 sleeved kurti and the price of this is 549 rupees. The next one is this navy blue color casual wear kurti. This was little different from the regular ones. It had a white color embroidery on one side and few buttons here, and the other side is plain navy blue. This is also a 3/4 sleeve kurti. Back side of this is plain and doesn't have any embroidery. The price of this kurti is 499 rupees. These two dresses which I had shown in my travel packing video was also from Max. Many of you had commented me telling both the dresses are looking nice and also asked me where I purchased it from. Both are anarkali type dresses and they are from Max. Also, this dress that I had shown in my wardrobe organization video is from Max as well. Next, I purchased these two salwar kameez materials and I purchased them from South India Mall in Bangalore. I visited the mall which is in Banerghatta Road, but it is also available in few other places as well. I like the collections and there were a lot of offers as well. If you stay in Bangalore, you can visit there once, it is good. The first material that I purchased was this green and pink combination one. It has a very grand neck pattern with stone and embroidery work in it. I like this work very much. I usually pick dress materials with ready-made neck pattern because it will come out very grand when stitched. And also the dupatta is a synthetic flowy material with some nice work and border, so I liked it very much. The MRP of this material was 1650, but at that time there was a 50% off going on, so I got it for rupees 825. 825 rupees seems to be a good deal because this material comes with a lining material as well. So the top, pant, dupatta and the lining material altogether costs rupees 825. And the next one is this elegant looking black color raw silk material. The speciality of raw silk is it is very lightweight and it gives a very grand finish when stitched and worn. The red and orange color embroidery was looking very contrasting and beautiful. I liked it a lot, so I picked this one. It comes with a red pant and the dupatta is an orange and red combination one with a beautiful border. The MRP of this material was around 3000 rupees. I got it in 50% off for 1500 rupees. In the same South India mall, I got these clips as well. These clips are very cute with stoneworks. They had lot of collections. I picked these three. They can be worn as party wears and also goes well with saris. So I picked these three of them. The first one is this beautiful clip with stoneworks. It's in brown and ivory combination. The price of this clip is 180 rupees. The next one is this multi-color stonework clip, and it can be worn with all traditional dresses of any color. The rate of this clip is 150 rupees. The next one is a small clip with white stones. It can be used to clip a section of hair while leaving the hair free. The rate of this clip is 100 rupees. Apart from these things, I purchased few casual wear dresses for my kids as well. Those are Tirupur export quality cotton dresses. I found them in very good quality, but the rate was very cheap. I couldn't cover them in the same video as the video will be too long. Let me know in the comments if you wish to see a video on those as well. I can make a separate video on that. Out of all the dresses that I showed you in this video, which one did you like? Let me know in the comments. Hope you liked the video. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.